All right, welcome back to another portfolio update. And as you guys can see, the market is almost closed. And for today, it's pretty good. Well, it's been up and down, as you guys can see the chart. We're up 203. For the past week, we are down 1609. The 1 month mark down 2359. 3 months down 1353. Year to date, we're still positive, so we're at 232. The 1 year, 1397, and overall, we are at 28%. We're down a lot more than we were a few weeks ago, but we're still up 85, 81 overall since I started this account back 2018, as you guys can see there. That was May 21st, 2018. Some of the video started around, I think, the end maybe of somewhere in 2019. You guys can go check out those old videos if you guys are interested. So I usually put about 100 to 150 a week into this account, and I've been doing that since then, and it's been growing. Mostly dividends. I've done some trades, options, and things, but it's been growing mostly on dividends. So we are positive 85, 82, even with the way the markets are right now. I'm sure you guys have heard the news on this bank issues that are going on. What is it? Three banks now that are gone or down. I think Silver Bank was one of them. What's the other one here? Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank. It looks like they all start with S's. And it looks like, I don't know if you guys have seen another one's not looking good. I think it's this one right here. I'll show you guys real quick. So we're just going to talk a little bit about this here. So First Republic is not looking good. So it's down 71% since last week. I mean, on the 8th, it was 115 bucks. Wow, look at that. And now 34 bucks. So it's not looking good. Another one to look at, just be careful with, it's Credit Suisse, this one right here. And they've been down a lot since a year. So they're down 66%. So I know they have some stuff going on both of these. So just be careful if you guys are going to invest in any of these. But that's up to you guys. So to give you guys an update, I did do an option here on AMC. It's a $9 strike for this coming Friday. So we have, today's Monday, so we'll wait till the end. Hopefully it's not going to hit $9, but if it does, we sell them and we're good. So I made $6, $3 each on this one. So right now it's right about even. There's no profit or loss yet on this one. So that one's okay. I think it's going to expire worthless like I do every week with AMC. We sell. I have 200 shares of it. I did 300 shares a long time ago. Did have 300 shares, and I ended up selling. I think I did a call a while back. This was maybe over a year ago. It hit when it was in the $50 range, so it closed out around 49 or 50 bucks. So that was a good profit on that one. But I still have 200 shares, so every week I'm selling calls and making money. So it's kind of like a dividend for me. My average cost is really low on AMC. I think it's like $1.80 or something. So that's that one. And I did get out, and this one was not fun. I did get out a SPY today. So I had a credit spread, put credit spread on it, and I'll show you guys. And I think the strikes were 386 and 87. And so it was a profit of $8. Actually, SPY 385, 386. Yeah, 385, 386. And it's been kind of up and down all day. And so I made $8 right there. You guys can see $8. But then this morning I got rid of it. I paid the $29. So technically I had a loss of $21 on this. I just didn't want it, and it was expiring today. So I didn't want to let it expire and lose $100 on it. So I did get out, and as you guys can see, it's been up and down all day. 386, 385, 387. So now it hit again 385. Now it's down to 386.67. So for me to break even on this, not break even, but make a profit, it would have to close today, which it looks like it might, at 386 and above. So for me, it was a little too close for comfort on this one, and I just got out. I did lose $21. So be careful when you guys do those. And this all happened because of this bank stuff. I did sell this one last week and it was in the 400 range. And all of a sudden, of course, it takes a dive. So not a good one. And last month I did lose money also on SPY. So just be careful on these ones or when you're doing your options, if you guys are doing options. If not, don't worry about options. Just do dividends. All right, so that's that. Cash that's coming in on the interest, it's at 13% for the, I mean 13 cents for the month, which is okay. I did pick up a bank today, and the only reason I did is because I only had 5 shares, and so I pushed it up to 10 shares. It's not much. It's only making $1 every 3 months. So now I pushed it to 10 shares. My average cost on this one was 17. I did buy 5 more shares at 11 and change, and I'll show you guys. So it's really transparent. You guys can see what I'm doing. So here it is. Here's the buy. So the buy is 5 shares. I paid 11.20 today. It is risky because it is a smaller bank, so just be careful. And as you guys can see, I'll show you everything that's been going on this one. I've been getting dividends for a long time on it. Original buy was here 5 shares back in 2019. I'm still holding them. I'm okay with them. They're paying a dividend. They're not too expensive. But if it hits above $14, my average cost, I might have to just get out. I don't want to be in this bank stuff. But we'll see how it goes. I remember back in 2008 when everything crashed in 2009, like Bank of America was like $4. So who knows? Maybe if it goes back to that, we'll buy some of the bigger banks. But as far as banking, I'm not going to get into many of those right now. If I do, it's going to come in through the ETFs. So that's it. All right, so let's take a look. Oh, and another thing I did buy because I try to spend about 150 to 200 a week. I did pick up SCHD. Average cost is right now 73.87. I did pick up 2 more shares at 71, and I'll show you guys right there. 71 even, $142. Not bad. And it's at 71.10 right now. So I like SCHD. I think it's pretty safe. I'm going to keep adding if it keeps dropping, we're going to keep dollar cost averaging. I am above. It's 73.87, but it's okay. It's not too bad. And let's get into my dividends that are coming in. I'll show you guys that like we do every week. So let's see here. We are in March. So March, we have QYLD paid 52, Intel 12, Ford paid 2 different ones. They paid their regular at 750 and the special dividend at 32. Pfizer, JEPQ, or whatever you guys want to call it, JEPI 59, Microsoft, that's reinvested back into Microsoft, AG&C, Exxon, Main Street, let's see, those are coming in. Main Street's pending, that's today. Oh no, that's not today, that's in a couple of days. So on the 15th, we're going to get a bunch of payments. Old Republic, we have Realty Income, Key Bank with the dollar, Stag, ED, and then Unilever, PSEC, and KHC. So hopefully the goal is right now to try to hit $300 a month, including everything on dividends and anything else I can get my hands on as far as making money with options or anything else. And I do document everything here, and I also have a website if you guys want to see the details on that. I'll put the link below so you guys can go to my website, check it out. Any other questions you guys have, please post them below. I know somebody did ask the other day can you show us your profit and loss on each company? I can, and I will right now, but just to give you guys a disclaimer, I did buy and sell a lot of different companies. I've had Tesla in the past and I sold for a profit. I had AMC, sold for a big profit on one. I think I had bought it at $3 and change, sold at 50. So from $300, I made 5,000 or whatever it was. I've been selling options, so this is not really realistic, all the numbers. So total return, I'll show you guys. It's not going to add up to what I have, but it is what it is right now as far as the total up here, because I've been trading, buying and selling, and also options. And so I don't know if this counts all dividend as well, but we're still positive. So I'll scroll down so you guys can see. So Ford gave us a profit, Ozark. AT&T does not have a profit. We have a negative PSEC profit. As you guys can see, Exxon has a profit. Starbucks, Unilever doesn't. Coca-Cola does. Verizon does not. And this is because somebody asked to show this. So, of course, I'm going to be transparent. You guys can see all of this. I don't mind. And hopefully this encourages maybe some people to invest in real estate or stocks like I do. I do both. But mostly on this channel, I'm showing you the stocks because I can show you guys every week. AT&C. So QYLD, we're down 1581, but I've received enough dividend payments that I think we're probably down in close to like 300 to 500. JEPI, same thing. We're down 800, but we received enough dividends that I think we're even on that one. JEPQ, of course, we're above because of the dividend payments. There's AMC with 739, and the bad ones down here where GME is down. Robinhood screwed me on that 2,800. Altria, it's brand new, so we don't care about that. Microsoft is up, and Shift, one of the bad ones too. So the worst ones are Robinhood and Shift, which really are messing up our total portfolio here. But like I said, this is not everything. I did buy and sell throughout the years, and also I do options every week, so that's bringing in the total. So if you guys are interested or have any other questions on anything else, let me know. I'm as transparent as possible on this. I'll show you guys what I'm buying, what I'm selling, what dividends are coming in, what I lost on, what I made money on. So any questions, please ask. I'll put them in the comments and hit the like. Hopefully we can get this one up. I don't know if these videos are entertaining or not, but some of them are kind of dying out. You guys do like the monthly income reports. Those ones get a lot of views. So hopefully this one gets a lot. And I will talk to you guys on the next one. Thanks.